Yes, yes, yes. Yo, 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 what it do? It's your boy alwoo-witdashoe. You know, we got some dope, fire content coming. So that's right. If it's your first time, help the family grow. This is the Wall of Fame. Your name will be forever etched in with the family. Today, I wanted to go over all the different shoe brands that is being represented in the Team USA Olympics men basketball squad. That's right. You got all the gang out, man. Your boy Curry, LeBron. We got Ant-Man representing the team Adidas. I mean, if you think about it, it's a lot of Nike out there. It's a lot of Team Jordan. But then we got Anta. And we got Under Armour. We got Adidas. So all of these different shoe brands are bringing the new styles of heat. Telling you now, if I was an NBA player right now, I don't know which one I would be rocking. I think I would lean more towards Nike because they have a bigger reach. But if I had more of a stake in the company with Anta, maybe I would take them. But this is dope, man. Being able to see each different shoe brand being represented by each different Team USA Olympic basketball men's player. Now, LeBron James is garnering all the respect he deserves. Shout out to LeBron. Look at his shoes. Like I said, look at Curry. Look at Ant-Man, man. Look at all of these different players. Even Tyrese Maxey, Bam Adebayo, they getting a little love. You know, we got the Devin Book series for Nike. Come on, man. These athletes are balling. They're showing us that they are balling on the court and off the court. Come on, man. You got to go out there and grab. These shoes are actually not that bad. You can style them off the court. So I said I don't really wear like basketball true hoop shoes, but a few of these will make an exception for it. If y'all see your boy out there trying out for the Team Olympics, just know I'm going to be wearing some of these new shoes. So look at the brands, man. We got a lot of Nike and Jumpman. Which one do you think you would be aligned with if you were an actual athlete on the team with all of them? So it's your boy alwoo-witdashoe. You already know what to do, gang. Peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we're gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, alwoo-witdashoe.